is 7:30 in the morning. Been up since 5:30 packing everything into the truck that I could manage. Everything else is going to be in Jimmy's truck. He's going to join me tomorrow for the weekend, which would be great. It is day one at the Lookout. I just got up here. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening. I was thinking I'd get here at 1 o'clock, but truck delays, me getting lost, and then my truck wasn't able to make it up the hill. So it's parked at the bottom of a very steep climb with all my gear and supplies in it. Jimmy's coming tomorrow, so I'm hoping what the plan will be is to unload it into his truck, get everything moved up here, and then hopefully the truck will be able to drive up without a bunch of stuff in the back. But that doesn't really help me in the future because I'm gonna need to bring a bunch of stuff up here and the truck is gonna be heavy. So gosh, I don't know what to do. If that truck doesn't run, I'm not sure where that will put me. There's this whole structure that would have to be taken down. It's pretty big and a little bit of junk around the property. Probably be a few trailerfuls of garbage. Probably use the barn wood from it, but not a whole lot else. Just looks crappy. I've almost got the place cleaned out, got the bed out, got the table out. They're just sitting on the deck. Not sure if I can salvage them, but the sun is going down and I need to clean this up quick. So I was going to replace this whole rail and make it 4 foot tall, but now I'm reconsidering because there's so many that are good, way more that are good than are bad of these posts. Since the Lookout life stresses Roxy out so much, I decided we're going to go hike to find the creek. We're following this black pipe that goes to my property and supposedly connects to a spring somewhere. It's day 4 of the Lookout. It feels like I've been up here for a week, but really only 4 days. 3 days technically. I had to go to Washington. Today I'm going to be moving that door that's behind me into the center of the wall here where I've already broke out 2 windows. Well, I got the door taken out and knocked out the wall and windows over here. So this is the new door placement in the center of the wall, which is where it always should have been, I think. Love it. It's day 6 and things are a disaster. This is what it's like working in a tiny building. I've got about just as far as I can with my built-ins. These will hold firewood on either side of the fireplace, but I'm gonna need more lumber before I can continue. Door is in the center of the wall now. This fireplace will be gone. There'll be another built-in on that side of the bed. Bed, nightstand, and kitchen. Visiting the library to see if I can print off a sign to have that building taken down. I believe it's day 8 and I'm at Pacific still, getting the metal to go around for my fireplace hearth. Ends up being about $60, which is awesome. And I also went and picked up the stovepipe this morning. This metal here is going to act as my hearth, and I'm going to just put it down right there and then move the fireplace on top of it. Easier said than done since that thing is so freaking heavy. And then I'll put metal on the sides of these cabinets as well. On today's agenda, day 10 I believe, it's going to be getting way up on the roof and moving that chimney over to the other wall. Wish me luck. This is what you don't want to happen. I centered the fireplace and I didn't even think about it. Tried to cut my hole and there's a beam right in the center of where my stovepipe needs to be. So I am going to have to off-center the top and jet over to go down the stovepipe in the center, which sucks. I made it on top of the roof. Don't ask me how, I'll get in big trouble. So I've got to take out this guy there and put it here. I should have some pilot holes. I could see sky, but I'm having a hard time seeing him. Oh, way over here. Okay. That is a big hole into the... My brother called and said I should probably tell people I got down from the roof safely, so I'm alive. And here's what I'm working with. So that's the offset that I'll need to find a piece for. So I just got back from St. Mary's, which takes about a couple hours to drive there and back and shop. But I got these elbows for the pipe. I'm gonna see if I can just get it on there. Well, that connection isn't exactly pretty, but hopefully it'll do for tonight and maybe the next couple of days when it is freezing out. I'm just doing a little test fire right now. Make sure everything's okay.